Hey people, so we are at this place called Boiling Pot. Take a look at it here. Ayush, how do you find Boiling Pot? Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, we come here for a quick lunch and Ayush is here. Ayush, take it. He's fascinated that the TV there, we have a remote here on our table, which is so unique. And upstairs, there's place to sit upstairs also, but apparently there's a movie shooting going
but
on.
then they're like weak. They're
Yeah.
like
You can, if you want, you can switch it off.
no, I want to.
It's okay. It's okay, Chonu. Sit down.
I want to change
So,
the candle.
once the food comes, we'll do another
I
video.
want to be in the movie.
You want to be in the movie? You want to take a look at this recording? Here, water. Yeah, so sorry. Acha, एक और. So that's what this is. Boiling Pot, and it is near in this place called Bachpalli in Hyderabad, and this is my mask, and it is Bachpalli. It's very close to this place, school called Silver Oaks, not Oak Ridge. So this is how it looks, and it's quite a cute, unique place. So Ayush, you like this place, right? Yeah, Ayush is bugged with that song that is playing there, and he will change it shortly. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.